right, hey gang, check it out. I picked up a brand new Raspberry Pi kit. Wanted to share it with you a little bit, tell you why I picked this one up. We have a few Raspberry Pis around here. I got a Raspberry Pi Zero upstairs, which is just acting like a little home automation hub. I've got another, I don't even remember which model it is that we use for just a little game emulator type of program, but we've picked up now a new little kit that I'm gonna work on with my son, just as a fun way to introduce him into some dev, into some coding things. This is the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. This one is an 8 gig version. They come in two different versions. This one is actually made by Vilros, or is packaged together by Vilros, and the reason I picked this one up is pretty simple. First of all, it is the model that has USB-C built into it, but Vilros bundles it with a few extras that make it nice. First and foremost, you've got your HDMI converter here so that you can go from their micro to full-on HDMI, meaning I can plug it into monitor. I don't have to remote into it and worry about setting it up that way. Makes a nice, easy way for you to access your extra Pi while you're in dev, and also comes with heat sinks. These boards can run hot, and just depending on what your load you're putting on them, what you're running with this will depend on kind of what you need to do here. For most projects, these 4 little heat sinks are all that you're gonna need for cooling, but you might need to pick up a case with a fan just in case, just depending on what you're running. It does come with also a USB-C adapter in there as well, but again, USB-C built in on this. And then it does come with 4 downloadable guides to help you with little starter projects. For me, this was just a quick and easy pickup for us to start our little project at home. And so if you are looking for a good little Raspberry Pi starter kit, maybe you're jumping into dev and making some things yourself, or you're wanting to show, like me, show one of your kids fun little coding things that you can do, check this one out. Bundled together by Vilros. I think you're gonna love it.